Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless. It's been actually a minute since I've looked into Cricket Wireless, and I actually do want to give them a try. Again, like I said, I used to make a lot of videos about Cricket Wireless, but mainly stuck with Boost Mobile. But like I said, Cricket Wireless is making a really good comeback, especially with their plan deals and phone deals. So let's get into it. Of course, tax season is full swing right now, so let's check out what Cricket Wireless has to offer. Like I said, I usually tend to stick more with the Verizon side of the MVNOs and prepaid and all that stuff. But in today's video, we're talking about, like I said, Cricket, which of course Cricket's owned by AT&T. So if you have good AT&T coverage in your area, this might be a good, good choice to do it. But like I said, here in my area where I live, it's usually Verizon. So let's get into Cricket Wireless deal. So we're talking about in today's deal, we're talking about the iPhone 13 for $29.99 for $30, guys. Yes, you can get an iPhone 13, still a solid phone out there for you. Now let's get into all the details and everything. The only color they have currently is black, so it's an iPhone 13. Are you new or existing? If you're an existing customer, this phone's $200. If you're a new customer, remember all the deals are usually going to be catered to new customers. Sorry. I don't know why my nose sounded so nasally there. I felt like I was about to sneeze or something. But this is account type. I'm bringing my number, or it's a new number. If it's a new number, you can still get this phone for $50. But guys, if you bring your number from a competing carrier, you get an additional discount. So if you just sign up with Cricket Wireless with a new number, you still get it at $50. If you bring your number over from a different carrier, you get it at $30. Sorry guys, I don't know why I sound so nasally. I think I just had some hot Cheetos probably. But let's say this offers switch and save, guys. So this is what Cricket Wireless is doing currently right now. It says, I'll take the iPhone 13 for $29.99 or $30 and pay for 3 months of the $60 monthly plan. Today, 3-month prepaid payment is online only. So it's online only, guys. So you'll pay $30 for the phone plus 3 months of the $60 unlimited plan, guys. So all this is close to $200, to tell the truth. You know, after taxes and fees and the whole enchilada. It really is. But still, for this phone, you're, remember, prepaying 3 months ahead of the $60 unlimited plan, and you're paying $30 for this phone. It's not actually a bad deal if you're thinking about actually gonna have Cricket. You know, it's not bad. So let's get into it. Of course, you do get multi-line discounts. Here's a little information sheet that they have. We'll look at the plans just a little bit. You can finance as well with a firm for $25 a month. But 1 line is $60, 2 lines is $90, 3 lines is $110, 4 lines is $130, and 5 lines is $160. Boost Mobile and Cricket and Metro have always been known, especially I would say Cricket really has been known for their multi-line deals. Boost Mobile used to have 4 lines for $100, and all that good stuff. So it says Cricket Wireless Unlimited plus 15 gigs of hotspot data. So as you can see, you do get typical speeds depending on what connection you do get. It could range. It looks like a one-time additional charges. It says provided monthly included in the monthly price. It looks like a activation fee. Only in Cricket Source is $25 activation fee. Of course, if you don't know too much things about the iPhone 13, it's a 6.1-inch, 12 megapixel camera, 128 gigs of storage. It's like I said, it's a Retina XDR display. Of course, camera's 12 megapixels. Does have the dual wide and ultra wide lens as well. And then here's just a little bit more specs of it, but not too bad. Here's also some other deals that you might be able to get, but iPhone 14, but the iPhone 13 definitely is the one to, I think, get at that price. Let's fully look at what this plan has to offer, guys. Remember, it's a $60 monthly unlimited plan, which is this one right here. As you can see, let's get into it. It says unlimited high-speed data, nationwide 5G, 15 gigs of hotspot included, Max with ads. Wow, so you actually do, that's pretty cool. You get HBO Max with ads on this plan, which is pretty cool because HBO Max is with AT&T. I get it because I have AT&T fiber in my house. 150 gigs of cloud storage, and unlimited texting from the US to 37 countries. and Mexico and Canada usage is included. Now it doesn't really say doesn't really say too much about. It just says plan, stream video in standard definition. Here you go. What our lawyers say. So 5G. So here you go. Video streaming plan does not include the video management feature. We aim to render streaming a video in standard definition, so it looks like you will watch videos in standard definition, so you don't get full HD storage, or I mean full HD streaming. Of course, you do get max with ads. I was seeing if you get any priority data, but I believe you do not get any. Well, it says unlimited high-speed data, so I believe you do get priority data here. Doesn't say priority, so that might be a thing that you need to watch out for. So I do like priority data with other plans. You can also check out the coverage in your area and all that good stuff and different add-ons. So yeah. But yeah, quick little video, guys. What do you think? Is this a good plan? I think it's a really good price. Remember, you do have to prepay 3 months ahead of the $60 monthly plan, which is $180. So it's actually a little bit more than $200. It's $180 for the 3 months, and then the phone is $30. So $210 plus product taxes and stuff like that. So not too bad, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Oh, well, remember, all plans are 5G coverage compatible. No overage charges and monthly taxes are included. So let's say $210. Not too bad, honestly, for an iPhone 13 with 3 months of the unlimited data plan with 15 gigs of hotspot. And of course, HBO Max, which is really nice. That's their highest plan they offer. Of course, like I said, as you go, you get multiple lines. You do get discounts on that, so it's pretty cool. There you go. It wasn't working earlier. 1 for $60, 2 for $90, 3 for $110, 4 for $130. Now remember, depends on which plan you go on. Or for 5 lines, it's $160, which is still really good. Or on the regular unlimited data plan, it looks like this one is not does not have the HBO Max, and this one does look like it slows down. So I'm guessing this one doesn't slow down, the $60 plan. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, this is a really good deal, I think. We gotta, people kind of sleep on Cricket a little bit. At least I do sometimes. So maybe I'll give them a try and see if AT&T coverage got better in my area. I know I've tried them before and it's not that good. I'm in a beach community and doesn't do too good near the water either way. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to check out more. Check out the description below to support the channel and all that good stuff. Thank you.